If you have a green thumb for business, the Garden State may be the perfect location for your new Limited Liability Company, LLC. New Jersey offers a great environment for entrepreneurs, with its strategic location, robust economy, and strong legal protections. Forming your LLC in New Jersey doesn't have to be hard. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to form your LLC in 3 minutes or less. From choosing the perfect business name to filing the right paperwork, I've got you covered. And stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal the best registered agent service in New Jersey that can help you set up your LLC for free. Starting an LLC in New Jersey is straightforward, though it does have its unique requirements. There are 3 main ways you can start an LLC in New Jersey. 1. DIY, do it yourself. This method involves using the New Jersey Division of Revenue's website to complete all the paperwork yourself. It's the most cost-effective option if you're comfortable handling forms and processes on your own. 2. Professional service. If you prefer to streamline the process and ensure everything is done correctly, you might consider hiring a professional service. These companies handle the paperwork for you and often offer additional valuable services. 3. Hiring an attorney. This is the most expensive option and usually isn't necessary for most small business owners. Attorneys can offer legal advice and handle complex issues, but might not be required for a straightforward LLC setup. For today's video, I'll focus on the DIY approach and using a professional service. Let's get started with the steps to form your LLC in New Jersey. Steps required for starting a New Jersey LLC on your own. Step 1. Name your business. The first step in forming your LLC is selecting a name. In New Jersey, your LLC's name must be unique and not already in use by another business in the state. Your official business name needs to include one of the following indicators: Limited Liability Company, L.L.C, LLC. To check if your desired name is available, visit the New Jersey Division of Revenue's Business Name Availability search. Enter your proposed name into the search bar to check availability. A unique business name will show no matches found. You have the option to hold the name by submitting Form UNRR1, the application for reservation of name if the name is available and you are not ready to file. The fee is $50. By filing this document, you can hold your LLC business name for up to 120 days. Step 2. Choose a registered agent in New Jersey. Your business has a name, and now it needs a physical presence in New Jersey. At least there must be a physical address where correspondents can reach you. This is where a registered agent comes in, which is a person or company responsible for accepting important forms such as state paperwork or legal documents on behalf of your business. You can act as your own registered agent or appoint a family member or friend. To qualify, either you or the member must be at least 18 and have a physical New Jersey address. However, I recommend using a professional registered agent service to ensure you receive important documents promptly and keep your personal address off public records. One company I recommend is Northwest Registered Agent, which provides a free registered agent for the first year of service. During this free year, you can benefit from a professional agent handling your legal documents, access to a dashboard for managing correspondence, and email notifications with automatic forwarding of any documents received. Step 3. File your New Jersey Certificate of Formation and submit your public records filing. Filing the Certificate of Formation. With a name and registered agent in place, the next step is to register your LLC with the state by filing the Certificate of Formation. Forming a New Jersey LLC is quite affordable. You will need to pay $125 for your Certificate of Formation to get started. File the Tax Employer Registration Form. You would also need to file the Tax Employer Registration Form, also known as the Form NJREG. You can file these documents online or via mail, even if you ultimately aren't obligated to file any state taxes on behalf of your New Jersey LLC. You must register your business with the NJ Revenue Department. Single-member LLCs are taxed as individuals and must file either Form NJ 1040 or NJ 1040-NR. For multi-member LLCs, you'll need to complete Form NJ 1065, the New Jersey Partnership Return. There is also a partner tax, which is a minimum of $150 per LLC member. However, if you choose to structure your LLC as a corporation, the minimum fee per person increases to $37. Checklist of information needed to file your New Jersey Certificate of Formation include LLC name, street address of registered office and name of registered agent, street address of principal place of business, duration of the LLC if not perpetual, management structure, member managed or manager managed. When you file, make sure you provide the Division of Revenue with a signed original copy of the Certificate of Formation and any other required documents. You should receive a stamped copy of your documents by mail or email when they are accepted. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. While New Jersey doesn't require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended, especially if your LLC has multiple members. This agreement outlines the management structure, profit distribution, and dispute resolution procedures. Even if you are a single-member LLC, having an operating agreement can help clarify and professionalize your business operations. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. You'll need an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for tax purposes. This number functions as a social security number for your business and helps keep your business's financial matters separate from your personal accounts. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website for free. There is no cost to obtain an EIN. Step 6. File the annual report. In New Jersey, you are required to file an annual report. The annual report is due each year by the anniversary month of your LLC's formation, and the filing fee is $75. Step 7. Get your business license if required. New Jersey mandates that businesses in various industries obtain licenses before operating in the state. Therefore, it's important to check if you need one when forming your LLC. Additionally, in New Jersey and other states, business owners may need local permits. To find out if you need one, visit your town's municipal website and search for the relevant information. Using a professional LLC formation service, a professional LLC formation service might be ideal if you prefer a more hands-off approach. Companies like Northwest Registered Agent offer comprehensive packages that include filing your forms and acting as your registered agent. Northwest Registered Agent service starts at $39, which includes a free registered agent and a free operating agreement with their package. Other companies might charge significantly more, so this is a great deal. With exceptional customer service and privacy protection, Northwest Registered Agent makes the LLC formation process smooth and hassle-free. Use the link in the description to take advantage of this limited-time LLC formation discount. Forming an LLC in New Jersey doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you handle it yourself or use a professional service, following these steps will help ensure a smooth setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable business tips and guides. And remember to check the description for useful links and resources. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LLC formation.